Straight. Just okay. All right. All right. How's it going, bro? How you doing?
Hey, pretty good. Whoa!
How's it going, buddy? You all set? Regular combo. All right. It's gonna be $7. Thank you. Whoop. Did you make it?
I think I made it close enough.
That counts.
This is how I did. Damn, I'm good. Alright, guys, what do we get for you? Two combos, extra feet on each. And you're all set, bud? He's got you? You got regular combo?
Yep, regular
Take his
combo.
money?
Yeah, I took his money. Not that guy.
Okay. You're gonna be 16 bucks? I mean, I'm sure you're gonna be a lot more than that someday, bud, but to me, you're $16. $7.
$7.
All about how you feel inside.
Regular combo. All set, my man. Have a wonderful night.
That's you, bud.
All right. What is he having?
It was both combo or both chicken? Okay.
Okay.
Two combos extra.
I'm using the right side of the warmer, out of the cooker.
Yeah.
Holmes.
Yes. The cooker, the warmer speak, right?
Okay.
What was it? Yeah.
Ooh, let's not make that drop. Two combos, right?
Yeah, extra feet on it.
Okay. Combo extra pita?
Yeah, I had two combos
Two-
extra pita.
yep.
But not me. There's another guy ahead of me.
What's up? The combo, he already got his.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, he got his plate already. Here you go. This is a combo extra pita, and then I got the other one coming out just a few seconds. All right, cool. Yep.
Is there a sauce you recommend for this?
The sauce I recommend, of course. So the creamy garlic sauce, the white sauce that you see out there, signature sauce, goes well with everything on that plate. If you like spices, there's hot sauce out there. Be careful with the skinny one. That's extra hot. It's like ghost peppers on top of ghost peppers, so you want to be careful with that one. It's dangerous. Yeah, there you go. Shake it up, get all that sauce in there, and you'll be A1, my friend. Here you go. You're all set. Yep. There's a mint cilantro jalapeno, which is the green sauce. If you're fond of that,
Yeah, that sounds good.
it's awesome.
Nice little bit spicy.
There's barbecue out there, which is the dark bottle.
I think it's the garlic.
Yeah,
When
the
you
creamy
said
garlic, man.
that's
Yeah,
what-
it's a signature sauce, man. It's cornerstone to what we do.
My wife asked for garlic. It's like, sorry, honey, having garlic.
There you go. Can never have too much. I appreciate you coming out here, man. It's freezing. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mint cilantro jalapeno sauce. It's no, I'm just explaining to her what it is. Yeah, it's tasty. It's minty. It's minty, right? It's awesome. The jalapenos are hot, essentially. So when you mix it up with all that good stuff, you get a minty jalapeno. So it's not too spicy. Yeah, exactly. You can barely taste it. So to the honest, it's supposed to be spicy, but to us it's like, eh. But it's good. That's what matters. What kind of hot sauce is it? Holmes. What kind of hot sauce is that? The regular
We
one.
make it ourselves, man. It's we use habanero and oh god, maybe chipotle extra hot is full of ghost chili.
Yeah.
But the regular hot is
That
hot.
one's. That's what he got. Look at his face.
Yeah, you're working. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Yeah.
The extra hot's insane. Good thing you're close to the hospital. What time is? So, our dinner shift usually.
Yep. Have a great night. What's going on, man? What can I get for you? Regular mix combo. All right. Of course. All right. It's gonna be $9. You wanna take his money? Anna Maria, you wanna take his money? So it's gonna be $9. Oh, you and a bottle of water. Okay, so that's a whole nother level. He's paying with a credit card. So if you know how to do it, all right. So you just okay. So this is what we do. When you pay with a credit card, it's usually gonna be on this screen here. So you just press next. You put in how much is the plate. We have a $10 minimum, so usually it would be $10. You grab it. Ooh, wrong place. You grab his card. You grab it here. So I like to hold it like this because I can see where this is. But Holmes likes to use it like this.
Is that
So
another Yankees card? Get out of here with the Yankees card. You're the second
Here
one
you go.
tonight. Wrong city. Get out.
Here you go, bud. You're all set.
Familiar with this nonsense that we get involved in?
Kind of, yes.
Basically, the Yankees are the worst team in baseball.
No, they're not.
They're,
I guess you're from...
if you've ever seen Star Wars, they're much like the evil Empire. They're basically a line of the stormtroopers. And then the Red Sox, with a similar red color scheme, are much like the Rebellion.
So it's a combo extra pita, right?
Just and right in the world.
I went to the Red Sox Yankees game
Oh, really?
in October.
Yeah, it's insane.
It was really cool.
Yeah, you better. It's not so bad since we
That's
won.
a regular or...
This is a regular combo with extra meat.
Alright, we can relax now.
Here you go. You're all set, bud. Yeah. So the water. Holmes, is our water in there?
We should have... No, I have more water right here.
Okay. We got you in a second. What's going on, bro? What can I get for you? All right.
Go ahead, water. There you go, bud. Good?
Yep. We good.
Oh, that's a great look for you.
I know, right?
Just... I'm gonna get one of those just to make you wear it all the time.
Is it a combo extra meat? Whoa.
So we're right here by the hospital, so there's a ton of ambulance. We're also about 2 blocks that way is Smack.
Combo extra meat, bud. Thank you. Here you go, bud. You're all set. So, when we thank you, appreciate that. So when we deal with money or anything outside of the food, it's unsanitary to be touching other things and then try to grab whatever's oriented with the food. So we change our gloves, yeah, just as many times as we can.
Which is really the part I was supposed
Excuse
to
me.
Which one?
What dicks?
Yeah. Who smashes a tip jar? So now it's plastic.
What's going on, guys? All right, what can I get for you? All right, give me a second here. I'm gonna make you your plate and then you can pay me. Sound good? All right, cool.
Oh shit, I can take your money.
There you go.
What are we doing? Would it be $10?
He got a lamb extra meat. That's $9.
You're at 9.
Oh, there you go. Extra pita.
It's not a Yankees card, so I'll actually charge you 10. So are you guys still here?
Excuse
I meant to tell him I was
me.
going to charge him double.
You're a genius if this is literally just the amount of food that you're gonna use for the
I am a
the
genius.
night. I want to be just like you.
I know.
Lamb extra meat, my friend.
Someday when you grow up. All right,
Great
that's yours?
What's going on, bro?
I'm gonna get the regular combo, extra meat. Can I get a small combo?
Sure.
So it's a combo extra meat and a small combo.
That's right. Is that you and your girlfriend? Yes, it is. Can you tell I'm a professional? Yeah, she wouldn't come out the goal, so. Yep, I know how this works. That's yours, bud.
That's the way we do it.
Yeah.
Ladies are
Brilliant.
evil.
You
It's
guys are
absolutely brilliant.
so much smarter than us. My man in the back. What can I get for you? Sure. It's gonna be $7.
Combo extra meat. Let me get you that small combo in just a second, my friend.
Thanks, bud. And then it's gonna be a lamb up
Okay.
there.
You dig.
Alright, 300 is yours, bud. You got it.
I wasn't even planning on staying here the whole night.
Maybe 20 more minutes. You've done a dinner shift.